Hello and welcome to the final video about this Marantz CD-80. As you see, it plays the tracks 8 and 15 of my test disc without any problems. This is the black dots and interruption data layer, and plays CDRs as well. So I suppose the brief I've received from my customer was to fix it. Well, it looks like it is fixed. Well, it only looks like that because the player plays. And what I've done, there was basically no power to the front panel. So display didn't work, the controls didn't work. So even though the player would read CDs, you couldn't make it go because, well, there's no controls. So now I've, having done that, I've also fixed volume control on it, the use of remote that I have, and also for the use of the cable. You see this unit, this is the Alps motorized volume pod. This is a motor there, and it's driven from the main board by this cable. That cable was missing, and I've sourced it from my Marantz CD-80. That's the audio board, and it goes to the main board there. Well, I'm not that keen to part with that cable and write off the player. You know, the new one will have to be made up. So, and last thing that I've done is that, let me turn it down a bit. As much as I like this music, it interferes in the video. You see, that tape was fitted over the window. Marantz CD-80 has this window in which you can peek at the CD, and the globes there that were also burned, I fitted new ones. Lets you do that, and without my light from the top and with the cover on, it has a bluish sort of tinge to match the display. So this is it, but of course there's more to be done. All the blue capacitors, these are Philips brand, they are leaky. The ulnar Serafine are fine, as the name suggests, and also there's some more in the power supply. I counted 29 of them. I'm sure there might be one under the, couple under the mechanism, so they'll take it to 30. So that's one thing. I've done a couple of those Marantz CD-80 before, and they needed recapping. One wouldn't work at all without recapping. The other did, but you know, if you know that they're leaky, well, it's just not right to sell the unit, you know, with them still in place. Although this is not my player, so it's up to the owner what he wants to do with it. So I'll just tell him, you know, whether he wants to proceed with recapping or not. The other thing that's wrong with it is that part of the drawer, it had a couple of slots there, but in those slots there are clips into which it clips in, and then you can push the button to open it. The actual switch is in here. It only opens, it doesn't close it. Those clips are broken, but I mean, I suppose it can be affixed there somewhere, and with the use of remote has open and close, that will work just fine. Well, this player didn't come with remote. I have the remote here that has that functionality, but as you see, hasn't got a volume up and down. Well, I have another remote which has volume up and down there, but hasn't got open and closed. So I suppose it's either buying original remote, which can be expensive, or getting one of these. This can be programmed to do all those functions, you know, and so that's a solution. But as I said, this is for the owner. So that's about it, folks, and well, till the next one. So if you see this one for sale, from me, it means I bought it and I recapped it, but if it's from the other, if it's from its original owner, then he will have to tell whether it has been done or not. Well, thank you very much. Bye bye.